Here's a quick little cold start for you guys in my 1980 Spirit AMX with a 401 and a 727. It is a balming -4 degrees outside right now. She's cold-blooded. I'm honestly kind of surprised that she started that easily. Normally it takes a while for it to start. Stuff in the garage. I gotta go around 3 other cars just to get to it. Yeah, she's real cold right now. Don't mind the speedometer. The speedometer cable needs work. It's gotten burned on the exhaust. That's how you know it's cold. 30 pounds of oil pressure right there. Inside minus the tack and the steering wheel. I need the seats reupholstered eventually. That's next to my plan book for this car. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Catch y'all next time.